मैं नहीं खा सकती, मेरे सामने क्यों रख रहे हो? It's the most irritating thing in the whole
It's not
world.
like that.
I smell food and I put on weight, and this guy can eat like a hog. मैं यहाँ पर कहना चाहती हूँ, I'm not pregnant, मैं बस मोटी हो चुकी हूँ.
अच्छा, एसी का रिमोट किसके पास होता है?
ये मतलब एंटार्क्टिका बना चुका होता है रूम को.
बाहर का तापमान है ना, सोना को उससे भी ज्यादा चाहिए.
मिस्टर ज़हीर इकबाल 10 अलार्म लगाएंगे
मैं 8:30 बजे से लेके 10 बजे तक का अलार्म रखता हूँ हर 5 मिनट.
हर 5 मिनट, बट सर नहीं उठेंगे.
सोना stop using a brain when I'm around.
Yeah, I don't want to do तारीफ in front of him.
सर पर चढ़ जाएगा.
So we had the Pandit saying the mantras here, and we
Wow.
had the azan playing at that time, and suddenly we all had goosebumps. It was the most magical moment of our wedding.
इंडिया में एक ट्रेडिशन है, नई शादीशुदा जोड़ी को खाने पे बुलाया जाता है. तो हमने सोचा why not invite this beautiful Bollywood newlywed couple on Sunday brunch. इनकी शादी ने सारे स्टीरियोटाइप्स को तोड़ दिया. फन, मस्ती, गपशप, लव, all of it is going to be double XL because ये जोड़ी है असली सोना. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 4 series, I'm going to enjoy a delicious meal with Sonakshi Sinha and Zahir. Let's go. मुझे अपनी डेट लंच का पार्ट बनाने के लिए थैंक यू. तो कैसे जा रही है लाइफ? शादी के बाद ऐसे बहुत लंचेस डिनर्स पे बुलाते हैं सब लोग.
बहुत ही ज्यादा, बहुत ही ज्यादा. एंड गाइस, मैं यहाँ पर कहना चाहती हूँ, आई एम नॉट प्रेग्नेंट, मैं बस मोटी हो चुकी हूँ. दैट इज somebody congratulated him यार. हम शादी एंजॉय भी नहीं कर सकते क्या?
That the next day her diet started.
Yeah, next day I started.
स्टोरी ऑफ एवरी इंडियन कपल.
Oh my
शादी
God.
होते ही
Yeah.
It's only been 4 months. We are genuinely traveling एक तो so much.
हाँ.
We're enjoying ourselves and people के lunch और dinner खत्म ही नहीं हो रहे.
अच्छा.
So I'm just really
But the funny part is it came out of nowhere.
in a
हाँ.
Because there was a-
spot right now.
There was a photo of hers with a dog, and they were like, "Oh, she's pregnant." I was like, "What is a dog doing with pregnancy?"
People are crazy.
तो लड्डू लग कैसा रहा है? खाना चाहिए या नहीं खाना चाहिए?
100%.
100%.
अभी
and
4
बताओ.
महीने हुए, हम मिलेंगे वापस 4 साल बाद, फिर बात
Why is
करेंगे.
every married
Yeah.
person saying that?
y'all are also
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
discouraging.
अब तू आना next year.
But मैं तो बोल रही हूँ हमें पहले कर देनी चाहिए थी. I don't know why we waited for so
I
long.
know.
It's amazing. It's like living with your best friend.
Isn't it?
और क्या चाहिए?
And you guys as a couple, actually it doesn't feel like you guys are a couple.
We are, I swear.
Sweet. So who proposed?
For marriage,
Yeah.
we did.
Before that,
For
like,
relationship,
I love
I
you
did.
types.
मैंने
हाँ?
बोला सबसे पहले मैंने बोला.
She
आपने बोला.
proposed already.
Yeah, I
हाँ.
did
She
propose,
just
but I
said
confessed
she-
my love to you.
Yeah, yeah.
कितने
Very
टाइम में? मिलने के कितने
एक
टाइम?
हफ्ते में.
Are you serious?
Yeah, was it 10 days?
7-10 is same.
7-10 days, yeah. I knew.
Really?
In 1 month,
wow.
she's going to marry you.
Yeah, in 1 month I told him I'm going to marry you only now. अब देख लो तुम अब.
I thought she's a bit cuckoo.
And you?
I thought
You
she
were
was-
like
No. I
on
knew
cloud
it, but
9 या डर गए commitment
no, I
से?
was very happy, obviously.
Yeah.
But it's a guy thing, na? You feel like you have too many thoughts in your head that it's just new.
Yeah.
That's
Full
why
of
you're feeling
power.
like that.
Hmm.
You think those feelings will not be there
Hmm.
at that level for so long.
Hmm.
And then after I knew that wow, this is not going away, it's going to get more. That's when
Yeah.
I realized that.
हाँ.
इससे शादी करूँगा.
But सोनाक्षी सिन्हा शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा की डॉटर है,
Hmm.
तो थोड़ा डर नहीं लगा कि मैं पापा से कैसे मिलूंगा और क्या बोलूंगा?
यार क्या तो डरना है.
ओह
अरे,
क्या
अरे,
बात है.
इसलिए तो शादी की है इससे. Confidence है बंदे में.
तो अब तक सीखे या नहीं सीखे
क्या?
कि गलती हो या ना हो सॉरी बोलना है आपको?
नहीं.
Just think about that.
Okay, sometimes.
ओके.
आज
फिर
कौन सा
खाना.
गेम लाई हो? सुई धागा नहीं ना?
नहीं लास्ट टाइम दिवाली स्पेशल किया था हमने, बहुत सारी गेम्स खेली थी और तभी इन्होंने अपनी रिलेशनशिप डिक्लेयर नहीं की थी, पर आज तो
Huma almost did it.
हुमा ऑलमोस्ट
You all
डिड
are
इट.
good friends.
There were certain undertones. मैंने
Yeah.
कहा था, are you lucky in cards or lucky in love?
Yeah. Yeah.
मतलब चुल तो बहुत थी हमें तब भी.
But there's one shot which your reactions come also where you're like when Huma said that y'all are best friends, we are also
I was
friends and all
yeah,
that.
yeah.
So
ये क्या बोल दिया?
yeah.
पर हमारी ऑडियंस बहुत स्मार्ट है, कमेंट्स में आ गया था।
हाँ,
हाँ,
चलो good.
कमेंट्स में पता चल
Well
गया
done,
था।
guys. Well done.
Whoever-
आपको मिलता है कुछ नहीं।
So we're gonna play a game,
हाँ.
ठीक है? I'm gonna share some of your pictures, okay? और आपको मुझे बताना है, उनको मीम करना है,
Oh, okay.
ठीक है? So here I have two devices. ये है Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra और ये है Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. इसके मल्टी कंट्रोल फीचर से मैं कुछ इमेजेस आपकी ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करूंगी
Oh.
और आपको उन्हें मीम करना है। Can you see the image coming?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
And wasn't this the first day I told you I love you?
This is before you left for Welcome to the movie.
Welcome to New York.
You went to shoot that. Before that,
Okay, there you go.
तो इसको अभी मीम करना हो तो क्या बोलूँ?
I don't know whose reaction to watch. Your reaction.
No, go on yours.
Huh?
Go on yours.
एक हफ्ते में घर
When
when he comes on time finally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When he's a green forest. Actually, green forest is a very trending term.
ग्रीन फ्लैग था, फॉरेस्ट हो गया।
Forest हो चुका है.
Apparently, I'm in green
Yeah.
forest.
He's a green
क्या
forest.
बात है,
Yeah.
अरे but now
No
taken.
pressure, no pressure.
Oh, this was on our New Year's trip to Egypt last year.
Huh?
Yeah, last year. We had not even actually planned our shadi.
I would call it BHP,
What's
मतलब?
BHP?
babe horsepower,
Ooh.
Babe horsepower.
or BB horsepower.
BB horsepower. Yeah, nice.
I would say दूल्हा हम ले जाएंगे।
Oh yeah.
That's better. That's better.
Also nice. It's
That's
here.
yeah.
Okay.
Lovely.
Screen
Now
पे
how can I
This
not
is-
crack a joke?
This is during XXL, जहाँ
Yes.
पर हुमा और मैं एकदम बहुत ही ज्यादा healthy हो
This
गए
is
थे.
in quarantine actually.
हम लंदन में
5
थे
days, yeah.
and we were quarantined for 7 days, not even
5
5.
days.
No, 7 days.
5 or 7 days. Whatever. It was
7
a
days
new
quarantine.
ruler couple.
तो
So we were all at
हम
connecting
लोग
rooms.
बहुत ही bored थे.
Hmm.
This was a result of that boredom.
Yeah.
मेरी कमर.
This is.
Oh, this is our favorite
Hi,
picture.
मेरी बीवी.
This is too sweet. We can't name this.
And it's a very different kind of a wedding ना, आप लोग ने एकदम simple तरीके से करी
Chill
थी।
wedding.
But हमेशा से ऐसे सोचा था that's how you guys want to
Yeah.
get married.
मैंने तो
Both of
हमेशा
you.
वही सोचा
Yeah,
था. I wanted a very simple, very sweet, very personal wedding. तो जब हमारी signing हो रही थी तो हमारे सिर्फ family और बहुत ही close friends थे वहाँ पर. And then we opened it out to more people who were genuinely happy for us. और
Yeah.
हम ऐसा कोई इंसान नहीं चाहते थे वहाँ पर जो who won't be happy for us, and that's exactly what happened, and it was just magical. It was so nice.
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
This is the best moment of our wedding.
Hmm.
Like literally the best moment. We were doing there was a pandit who was doing the Kanyadan.
Hmm.
And we all sat down to the Kanyadan, and suddenly Sona's nudged me and said, "Can you hear that? Can you hear that?"
Hmm.
And I said, "What?" And then suddenly started paying attention
Yeah.
because I was so concentrated. I was concentrating so much on what the Pandit was saying that I understand it. And she was like, "The azan is going on." So we had the Pandit saying the mantras here, and we had the azan playing at that time. And suddenly we all had goosebumps. It was the most magical moment of our wedding.
It was
Beautiful.
unbelievable.
It
was a
like,
divine
It was
intervention.
like, yeah, divine intervention.
So खाना शुरू किया जाए?
बिल्कुल,
Please.
please.
Okay, let's begin the Sunday brunch. मुझे कुछ ऑर्डर प्लेस करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, इन्होंने अपने फेवरेट्स मंगा
क्योंकि
दिए।
हमने शेफ लखन को कॉल करके बोल दिया।
What is that one thing you really miss after
You know
getting
what?
married?
Because I told my mother-in-law this, that हमारे घर पे हर संडे को सिंधी कढ़ी बनती थी. My mom-in-law is so sweet, dude. She learned how to make it. and she makes it so well. Last week only उन्होंने मेरी mom को भेज दिया था to test and approve it कि कैसा बना है, ठीक बना है कि नहीं बना है. And my mom gave us some tips and tricks, but it was really, really nice.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. I'm really blessed.
तो आपने अभी तक खुद ने नहीं सीखी सिंधी कढ़ी,
मैं
But
खाती
the
हूँ.
Sindhi curry in her house, कमाल का है.
है ना? Yeah, I've
और
heard
कभी
a
खाने का
lot.
मन होता है, आंटी को फोन करता हूँ, मैं आ रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
प्लीज मिलने बना दो.
हम गए थे वहाँ पर तो I don't know, something different they had done. It was the best Sindhi curry ever. Like my mom had made. I think we were going home after a little bit of a gap.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने कुछ extra ही प्यार से
We
बनाया होगा.
called the chef out.
You know, मुझे पहली बार मिले थे मैंने आपके लिए कड़ी बनाई थी, ब्लाइंड फोल्ड किया था आपको. So yeah, you came on a bike. So but is there anything new that you guys have discovered about each other after getting married?
Been together so long.
Yeah,
How long?
7 years.
7 years.
Yeah,
Oh.
I think हर चीज का सही वक्त होता है, सही समय होता है, and I think we did it at the right time.
लड़ाई झगड़े भी होते होंगे यार. That's a part of
Oh,
every
सब तो
relationship.
होता
हाँ.
What are the common topics?
over the 7 years,
हाँ.
हम समझ गए कि झगड़े को सॉल्व कैसे करना. इनिशियली पहले झगड़े होते थे तो लाइक प्रॉपर बॉय गर्ल वेरी इमेच्योर फाइटिंग.
Yeah.
अब जाके वो झगड़े इतने इवॉल्व हो गए कि अब बात जो करनी है, जो डिस्कस करना है, देयर इज नो सॉर्ट ऑफ फाइट.
Yeah.
पहले झगड़े होते थे, अब डिसएग्रीमेंट्स होते हैं जो नॉर्मल है.
Yeah.
तो घर पे माँ बाप के साथ भी होते हैं. सॉल्व एकदम पीसफुली होता
Who wakes up first?
मैं
है.
I'll tell you why.
Why?
Mr. Zahir Iqbal 10 अलार्म लगाएंगे.
अगर मुझे 10 बजे कहीं पहुंचना है
Hmm.
तो मैं 8:30 बजे से लेके 10 बजे तक का अलार्म रखता हूँ हर 5 मिनट.
हर 5 मिनट.
कि अगर 10 बज गया अभी तक नहीं उठाऊं तो फायदा नहीं है ना मीटिंग में तो पहुंचना.
सारे अलार्म बजेंगे बट सर नहीं उठेंगे.
हाँ.
मैं 1 घंटे में उठ जाती हूँ. So I am always up before him.
And she's also so punctual.
And it's so irritating क्योंकि फोन भी वो साइड पे रखा होता है ना, so I have to literally nudge him like that. तब वो जाके snooze करेगा फिर
एक बार-
वापस हो जाएगा.
एक बार कोशिश की खुद से कर लूं
हाँ.
तो मैं ऐसे वो फोन इधर है, सोना ऐसे चढ़ के मेरे ऊपर वो सर क्या कर रहे भाई. फोन मत कर दे रहा.
कर लो ना खुद फिर.
अच्छा, एसी का रिमोट किसके पास होता है?
इसके पास होता है और ये मतलब एंटार्क्टिका बना चुका होता है रूम को.
मैं सोता हूँ, सो सोना पहले उठती है.
हाँ.
मैं सोना के बाद सोता हूँ. सोना सो जाती है, उसके मैं चेक करता हूँ, फिर उसके 5-10 मिनट बाद मैं एसी का टेम्परेचर रेडी करता हूँ. क्योंकि जो बाहर का तापमान है ना, सोना को उससे भी ज्यादा चाहिए.
Not
मैं हमेशा होता हूँ उससे तक खिड़की खोलता हूँ ना.
हाँ.
क्यों ऐसे मतलब 25-26 पे एसी.
No यार, I'm good with a 22-23 which is a decent temperature. इसको चाहिए 18-16, मतलब क्या है ये?
और हमेशा हर कपल में एक को ठंड लग रही होती है, एक
हाँ.
को गर्मी. Who
I'm
takes
the-
longer to get ready?
Not me.
No, for a girl, she's really fast. Really fast. And thank God, I'm blessed.
Yeah.
Like when you go out and all, Sona ready in 15 minutes.
One thing you love, hate, and tolerate about Zahir.
I love a lot of things about him. Like I don't want to do his तारीफ in front of
What?
him.
No, please do it.
Do तारीफ in front of him. क्या हो जाएगा? सर पर चढ़
कान
जाएगा.
बंद करो तुम. हाँ, सर पे बैठ जाएगा फिर. हाँ. Can you shut your mouth here?
No.
Shut both
I
your
want to
ears.
hear, baby.
I don't want to make you hear
Why?
because then you sit here.
I'm anyway sitting there.
That is also.
Yeah.
But anyway, he's a very generous, very kind, very intelligent, very respectful person. And I think these are lovely qualities for
Think
a,
you forgot
for
a
a
couple
man.
of things.
Sometimes he's very hyper. Like he's like
Energy.
random energy is something I don't like. It's not that I hate it. What I tolerate about him is that he's a very noisy person. At any given point, इसके यहाँ से कोई ना कोई आवाज आती होगी, आ रही होगी. Like either
हाँ.
he's
हाँ, तुम्हें क्या?
either he's whistling or he's grinding his teeth or he's doing something with his nails. कुछ ना कुछ आवाज आती है
Please
इससे.
listen, like.
I want peace. I want like silence.
Love, hate, and tolerate about Sonakshi. अभी थोड़ी तारीफ कर लो आप भी.
I genuinely love everything about it. I think for me, humility is number one. And the more I am in this industry, जितने लोगों को मिलता हूँ, मैं जब इतना lack of humility देखता हूँ, तो इसकी humility का और कदर करता हूँ. खा ले, आराम, कोई जल्दी नहीं, बाद में react कर. Humility is number one, and the thing I love about the most, sense of humor, very funny. But her humor only I get strangely. Other people get a bit confused about her humor.
Everybody gets my humor, okay?
No. Obviously very loving, wonderful human being. I think just the basic that you want in a good human being, वो सब कूट के भरा हुआ. So that's why I love her. The thing I tolerate about her, nothing. I just
वो आंखें दिखा दी.
देखो मैंने नजर नहीं मिली.
नजर नहीं
Eye
मिले.
contact नहीं की. मैं
समझ
नीचे
गया.
झुके हुए सर के साथ. I tolerate. Sometimes I feel Sona stops using her brain when I'm around.
Yeah.
You know, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे मुझे मिलती है, मुझे देखती है, माइंड ऑफ हो जाता
Switch
है
off.
कि अब जो भी करेगा सही नहीं करेगा. जैसे कल हम पिकल बॉल
I
खेल
can
रहे
relate to that.
तो कल हम पिकल बॉल खेल रहे तो वो पिकल बॉल में ना कभी आगे जाना पड़ता है, उसका सर्व है तो पोजीशन चेंज करने पड़ते हैं. तो सोना चेकआउट हो गई ना क्योंकि मैं आ गया.
हाँ.
तो सोना हाँ क्या करना है, आपको सर्व करना है. अब पॉइंट्स भी मैं रख रहा हूँ, कौन से साइड पे वो खड़े, उसको खड़े होना है वो भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, कब आगे जाना है, सुना आगे चले जाओ, तो वो आगे जा रही है, तो हम लाइक बेबी अब तुम कर लो ना, ये सोच लो कि क्या पॉइंटिंग सिस्टम है, तो दैट आई टॉलरेट बिकॉज शी कंप्लीटली चेक्स.
But you do understand, that's a compliment, right?
I know.
तुम्हारे पास 2 जन का दिमाग है.
वो जो
सही.
एक मीम था ना रिसेंटली,
हाँ.
हस्बैंड वाइफ ट्रैवल कर रहे और हस्बैंड ऐसे सोच रहा है कि देखो गेट 5 मिनट दूर है, मुझे यहाँ जाना है, हमको सिक्योरिटी और बोर्डिंग में इतना टाइम लगेगा, ये करके, और मुझे फ्लाइट से उतरेंगे तो गाड़ी ये होटल पहुँचना है. और लड़की क्या सोच रही है, ये लड़का ये सोच रहा है कि हाँ यहाँ से जाएंगे और इसको फिर बाथरूम जाना होगा तो उसके लिए रुकना पड़ेगा, और लड़की ये सोच रही खाना खाएंगे, हॉलीडे पे जाएंगे, मुझे ये जगह जाके ये फोटो लेना है. सो आई फील शी जस्ट चेक्स आउट ऑफ लाइफ ओनली, कि अब ज़हीर बोलेगा कि क्या करना है, कहाँ जाना है, मेरे को उसके पीछे चलना है.
टॉक ऑफ ट्रैवल, हनीमून के लिए कहाँ गए?
वी वेंट फर्स्ट,
3 जगह गए.
पहले सिंगापुर, फिर फिलीपींस, फिर न्यूयॉर्क, अब जा रहे हैं
लॉन्ग
इटली.
हनीमून.
No, we went 3 trips we took. Now we're going
4 महीने में 3 ट्रिप्स.
and now we're going to Italy this month.
Australia
दिसंबर में हम ऑस्ट्रेलिया जा रहे हैं. तो हम
वाह.
आधे साल में 5 हनीमून कर चुके होंगे.
So literally, like, soon as we could,
Hmm.
we would just be traveling all our life.
Yeah.
Just see new places, explore new things, do different things.
Yeah.
You would never see us.
And when you all are traveling, are you all like on the same page, or one likes to just chill out in a resort and the other has an itinerary planned?
I think
No,
that's the best thing about us.
Yeah.
कि हमारा इतना बैलेंस है ना
हाँ.
कि स्ट्रेंजली दोनों को सेम टाइम पे सेम चीज करनी है. कि जब म्यूजियम भी जाना है तो साथ में ही जाना है, वो सेम वे पे फील आ रहा है, जब पार्टी करना है तो सेम वे से रिलैक्स करना है, तो सेम. एंड वी प्लान हॉलिडे अकॉर्डिंगली.
Yeah, we're very in sync with each other when we travel.
So you know these days a lot of couples and or people in general, पता है सबका अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव है. एक जो होते हैं जो सोचते हैं हम अपनी जो बिग फैट वेडिंग करेंगे, और दूसरे होते हैं which they will actually save and spend either on a honeymoon or buy a house or something like that. So what was your thought, both of you?
छोटी वेडिंग्स करनी चाहिए क्योंकि just be surrounded and you can be more involved ना. अगर
Yeah.
मतलब 5-4 घंटे की पार्टी है तो पूरे 4 घंटे 2000 लोगों को मिलने में हेलो हाय हाउ यू टेक केयर खाना खाओ ये वो कर रहे हो, तुम अपनी शादी में एंजॉय नहीं कर रहे हो. मुझे लगता है कि जो पार्टीज होते हैं 3 दिन 4 दिन के,
Yeah.
यू नो डेस्टिनेशन ऑल दैट इज ग्रेट, बट आई फील तो डेस्टिनेशन में भी 8 इवेंट मत डालो.
Yeah.
4 दिन का डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग है तो 4 इवेंट करो, सब आराम से सो के, ये क्योंकि तुम सुबह उठ के सेम लोगों के साथ चिल कर रहे हो,
Yeah.
पूरा दिन कुछ सेलिब्रेट करो, फिर कपड़े चेंज करो, फिर दूसरे इवेंट जाओ, थक जाओ. We didn't want that. We want everyone to have a great time.
Yeah.
एक पार्टी रखो
We just
and
wanted
let's everyone go all out.
everyone to enjoy.
The one friend was like, I'll take out decor and make sure this. So that friend thought that 10 times she'll have to
Go
you
back
know,
and forth.
back and forth.
Yeah.
She's like, don't you want to know what decor? I was like, no, you like it, no? Do it. Very
Yeah,
good.
sweet.
Like, it's lovely.
Yeah, but it also comes from you guys, right? You all are letting your friends do what they like and not be
Yeah.
fussed
Yeah,
about
yeah.
Yeah,
it, because
we didn't want
otherwise
anyone to be
Yeah.
like stressed about anything.
Yeah.
you guys set a really good example and inspired a lot of people that, you know, wedding as an occasion should also be enjoyed, and
Absolutely.
the purpose is beyond the all the shosha that a lot of
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, I wore my mom's साड़ी क्योंकि मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए था कि मैं डिजाइनर से कपड़े ले रही हूँ और फिर उनके लिए फोटो शूट करना पड़ रहा है
हाँ.
और फिर पोस्ट करना पड़ रहा है और फिर टैग करना पड़ रहा है एंड ऑल. आई डिडंट वांट दैट ओनली ऑन माय वेडिंग डे.
yeah.
आई वांटेड टू रिमेंबर ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल. 50 साल बाद भी मुझे ये याद रहेगा कि मैंने अपनी माँ की साड़ी पहनी थी, यू नो.
हाँ.
सो इट्स जस्ट लाइक वी जस्ट मेड इट वेरी पर्सनल एंड वेरी सिंपल.
So it's something really strange to see and to be a part of. आपके 4-5 bridesmaids होते हैं. वो no चुकी the bride कि चुकी it's fine just relax it doesn't matter. और ये वो
Yeah.
यहाँ bridesmaids विदी उमा सब
हाँ.
जो दोस्त लोग थे, अरे ये नहीं वो नहीं पूछ रहा, तू सोना लेके छोड़ना यार, नहीं पूछा तो
हो
नहीं
जाएगा
पूछेगा.
यार.
हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत ले. She was calming them down.
Yeah.
शादी मेरी है, मेरे को नहीं है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
थोड़े से फ्लावर आएंगे, थोड़ा अलग रेड आ जाएगा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
हाँ.
तू नाचो तो एक रेड.
And such a sweet video जब आप लोग वो sign कर रहे थे and you screamed with joy.
I
It
was
was
so happy. It was really the best day. I mean, I was waiting for it for so long. We
Yeah.
were waiting for it for so long. I
And
was really genuinely happy, like
I
so
would-
happy.
Yeah. But was it hard convincing parents? उनको बताने वाला दिन याद है? How was it? When?
No, actually, मैंने ना अपने दिमाग में ही बहुत हुआ बना रखा था कि मॉम एंड डैड क्या बोलेंगे. But when I
हाँ.
went and told them, I got the shock of my life. They were so calm and chill about it. And my dad too was even better. I told my mom before I told my dad, like 1-2 years before I told my dad, and then he convinced me कि जाके dad को भी बोल दो अब बहुत हो गया जाके बोल दो
पता चलेगा
yeah I went and told him and he was so rational about it. He said you all are grown up people, you all love each other, you all make each other happy, that's all that matters and I'm happy for you if this is what you want in your life.
कितने सालों बाद
मुझे लगा
पता?
था मैंने पढ़ा था किधर
अच्छा
I was
ऐसा
like,
क्या?
न्यूज़ में
what
देखा
just happened? My whole life is a lie. Everybody just thinks that my dad and I don't know why. I also believe that dad की personality, थोड़ी scary है. He's like this strict kind of person and all. But I knew he isn't. But when it came to this, I don't know why I didn't listen to my heart and just go to him earlier.
Never have I ever had a disagreement on how to spend money.
I'm a saver. He's a spender.
Yeah, so she tells me that I
Yeah.
should.
That's the role of a wife.
Yeah.
She's doing her job.
No,
Yeah.
no, usually wives spend their
More.
husband's money.
Yeah, it's
That's
really
true.
amazing. That's why she's amazing. So lucky.
Never have I ever cooked something that turned out to be a disaster.
I was living abroad.
हाँ.
And मैंने मॉम को फोन किया कि मुझे नगेट्स बनाने हैं. बोला क्या डालो ये करो. और ना एक्चुअली मैं बाद में फोन किया. मुझे ना सिंपल है. तेल लो, उसमें नगेट डालो, बन गया. मैंने देखा मस्त ब्राउन कलर का अमेजिंग क्रिस्पी गोल्डन मैंने खाया. और अंदर से पूरा चपड़ कच्चा ठंडा. मॉम को बोला मैं तो किया मस्त ब्राउन कलर आया कैसे करना है? फिर तुमने उसको डीफ्रॉस्ट किया.
हाँ.
डीफ्रॉस्ट क्या होता है?
Oh.
नगेट्स को हाँ उसको डीफ्रॉस्ट करना पड़ता है. Then I didn't try it.
सोनाक्षी ने ट्राई ही नहीं किया, कुकिंग ही नहीं ट्राई की.
Exactly.
तो डिजास्टर तो पहले कुछ कुक होगा, फिर डिजास्टर होगा.
I've made very basic things.
Yeah.
Scrambled eggs, omelette, ऐसा टाइप. तो उसमें you can't go wrong.
Never have I ever snooped through my partner's phone.
No.
कभी नहीं चेक किया सोनाक्षी का फोन.
I don't know, मुझे अभी लग रहा है कि
She
has.
definitely has. एक दूसरे का पासवर्ड पता है
हाँ.
फोन का. Never have I ever said I'm fine when I was actually upset.
All the time.
She's the worst actor in real life. Can't act like you don't laugh when we are doing something, just pretend.
हाँ.
Very bad. Very bad.
So you
Yeah,
can tell when she's upset.
Yeah, very clearly.
He's very smart. He knows exactly how to make me laugh, and
Yeah.
now he's been using that only.
Yeah, it's really easy.
That's a
हाँ.
like to break any sort of tension. He'll just come and he'll make me laugh,
Laugh.
and then now, matlab you can't take someone seriously, no?
हाँ.
So that's
Never have I ever stolen the blanket while we were sleeping.
I stole.
She stole it.
I
Okay.
stole it.
Every day.
Never have I ever blamed my partner for something I did.
I have.
As in, मतलब,
Like कुछ टूट गया
हाँ.
Yeah.
और बोला कि ये
Something
Really?
like that, yeah. Obviously, na. I'm not gonna tell mom and dad कि मैंने तोड़ा. Yeah.
They would say to you, they'll tell me.
That's why.
That's
That's
why.
why. That's sit and watch, no? Then.
So you all are living with the parents?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How is it?
I love it. I wouldn't want it any other way.
Yeah.
They're
My
so,
parents are damn chill.
they're
and
really
Yeah.
chill
They
and
feel
they're
that-
so lovely.
they feel कि हाँ अभी यार शादी हो गई यार होना हालिक नहीं जो मम्मी डैडी कहते थे
Yeah.
हाँ.
And in fact, he asked me before we got married also कि तुम्हें do you want to live separately? I was like, no chance in hell.
Yeah.
If we
My parents
stay,
are damn
we'll,
chill.
yeah,
Yeah.
they're really, really
No,
nice.
even I live with my in-laws and I can tell that it's amazing to live,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
know, with the parents.
What do you
we are
call
not
it?
capable of running a house on our own. I feel. We
Yeah.
burn the
That's
building.
also true.
So suddenly the building will fire. क्या हो?
It's just nice
We are
to
trying.
have parents.
Parents? I also love my parents. Bagban. All about love.
Right.
Oh sorry, कभी खुशी कभी.
Never have I ever given my spouse silent treatment.
All the time. I give.
I love how he's concentrating on the food.
That's Zahid.
We are going to have a fan joining us live on the
Lovely.
Samsung Galaxy
How
Book Phone Pro
cool. ये
360.
नया लाई हो तुम.
हाँ
ये
जी.
item नया है.
So we have Delita who has joined us. Hi Delita.
Hi.
Very good.
we're
How are you?
good. How are you, Danita?
All good, all good. Y'all look so adorable together. Always seeing y'all on.
Thank you. Thank you so
you.
much. Lots of love.
So,
right
I
back
just
at you.
thought, like y'all said, y'all are married and y'all are each other's best friends. How do you know if your best friend is more than just your friend? Like, how do you know that?
I guess it's just a feeling. It's very instinctive. You have lots of friends, right? And you have multiple best friends as well, but you just feel a little bit extra for this particular person. So There
That's
are a
a-
little bit more butterflies, little bit more fluttering happening inside. I think that's how you know. No?
So, to be honest, that's a very nice question.
Yeah.
Because very easily, it's nice to say that you got married to your best friend, and it happens a lot. It happened to us.
Yeah, of course not.
Yeah.
Do you love me more than a friend?
Huh?
You love me more
Yeah.
than a friend? Are you
Okay,
sure?
so when you feel very, very attracted to the person, then I think you know that.
You're sure, na, Zahir?
Huh?
You're sure, na?
What?
You like me more than a friend?
Yeah, I like.
Yeah,
She's okay.
Yeah.
Fun girl.
I'm glad. Good to hear. Good to know.
She's confused. Elita's confused what we're talking about.
No, Dalita's laughing.
Yeah.
So what are your takes on long distance relationships?
I honestly have never been in one, so I don't know. Have you?
I think at the correct age, I don't know if I should give good advice.
No, yeah. I
Like,
feel when it's
very
with the correct
confusing.
person, if it's something that you really want to make it work, then distance is not an issue. Time is not an issue. I think when you know that this is your person and I want to make it work with this person, then I don't think any other factors matter.
I think it works for secure people.
Also.
So I don't think insecure people should try long distance because then you just end up behaving like a toxic person.
You are an amazing person. You're both of y'all are amazing people.
Who did you say the first
Y'all.
one for? Did you say the first one for her or me?
It was lovely talking to y'all.
Lovely
Ignoring.
talking to you,
Yeah,
Dalita.
she knows it's time to say
I really want to
goodbye.
know.
Well
When
done.
you said you are an amazing person.
You have maneuvered the situation very well. Zahir, when people start ignoring you, na, it's a sign.
Yes,
You stop
are-
talking.
I feel she was talking to me.
For
Good,
me,
it's
I
a good
think.
thing. It's a good thing.
So it was so Kamya. She is the
Amazing one.
Yeah.
amazing person.
Yeah. Thank
Thank you,
Dalita.
Dalita.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Lovely talking to you.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Lovely talking to y'all. Bye. Take care.
So you all said something really nice, which is about feeling insecure, and you both are like in the entertainment world,
Yeah.
surrounded by all beautiful, good-looking people.
Yeah.
So feeling secure at all points, how easy or difficult it is, and is it more of a mindset thing?
I think it's a mindset thing, and also it also depends on how the person makes you feel. Like how I
Yeah.
said before, like when I'm in a relationship, I'm anyway very conscious of the fact because I'm an actor. So being with an actor also helps because they know how it works and they know exactly your situation. That also helps. But like even with him, like there's nothing he will do, like not even a slight thing that will make me think otherwise, And
Yeah.
if there's something that concerns me, he'll always address it
Yeah.
and we'll always have a conversation about it. So yeah, he really like makes me feel very, very secure. I don't think I've had this level of assurance from a partner before in my life.
But to be honest, I feel that that's why we are so good together. Is
Yeah.
because I don't think I've given this kind of assurance also to anybody else.
Yeah.
I really get when people say that, oh, she's made me a better person. She's made a man out of the boy. Because there are
Yeah.
certain things you can easily say, oh,
Yeah.
I can't do this. I'm not doing anything wrong. But then if it's causing some sort of turmoil
discomfort.
सामने वाले के
yeah.
दिमाग में,
Yeah.
वैसा.
मैं नहीं खा सकती मेरे सामने क्यों रख रहे हो
I'll take care of it.
yeah, it's
Take
very
care of
tempting,
it.
yeah. And
Sab
this is
संभाल.
damn good. This is the best cheesecake, na? This is the best cheesecake I've ever eaten. Like
Really?
It's, that good.
Okay.
It's like cloud.
Wow.
It's like eating
तो
cloud.
ये मैं और ज़हीर
हाँ,
enjoy
please
करने वाले
enjoy
हैं।
करो. I'm off sugar.
गाइस बहुत मजा आया आज आप लोगों के साथ बातें कर कर
We also
ये
enjoy.
डिलिशियस खाना खाकर सो इज ज़हीर द वन जो जितना भी खा ले वेट पुट ऑन नहीं करता
Yes, and it is the most irritating thing. I smell food and I put on weight, and this guy can eat like a hog.